thus holds the mystery of the tree of life. In ancient literature, the tree of life always was something of absolute importance. Though the tree existed before the fall, it exists to this moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 of the demolition, leaching eternity. If you want granted access to the tree of life, come and discover. It's time to put on our hard hats of faith again. You can know the power of God to leach eternity. I'm Pastor John, and I will see you at part 5V of the demolition, only at Living Stones and Sunland Tahunga this Sabbath.